In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide or unhide your images in iPhone. There is a simple tricks which we are going to use, and we are not going to use any software or application for that purpose, and solely we are going to use the functionality of the iPhone itself. And therefore, let's go and see what we have in this tutorial. Here I have my iPhone, and we are going to come like in our image or photos. And once we are going to come in photos, and there you are going to just add different photos to hide. Now you are going to click on select here. For example, I'm going to select, and I'm going to select that image like 20 May 2020, and you can see a yellow check sign is here, and you are going to click like multiple images. For example, one from here, one from here, and now I have 5 images which I have selected. Now what you are going to do, you have to click here in that like upload icon maybe, but you are going to scroll that to the left, and here you will get an option which is written hide, and you are going to click or tap on hide. And here you have the option that these photos will be hidden from all the places in your library, but you can find in the hidden album. And we are going to say that okay, hide 5 images, and here you have just hidden 5 images. But how about if we are going to just see that images where it is hidden? And therefore we are going to click on the album here, album, and you can see all that images here. But again, if you should come back from the album, you will see different types of media, and in the other albums you have like hidden images or hidden. You are going to click on hidden, and here you have all images. Now once again you are going to select and unhide all the images, and then you are going to click on that upload sign, and again you are going to scroll that one on the bottom, and here you have option for unhide. And once you are going to click on unhide, it will disappear from hidden folder or album. Then you will come again in the photos, and here again we will see all the images are available here. And that is how quickly and easily you are going to hide or unhide your images in iPhone. But remember that it will not completely hide your images like Android mobile phones, but you can see that or disappear that from the gallery, where if you want to show some people about the images of your gallery, but you don't want specific images for the privacy reason, then at that time you can hide those images. I hope you like that video. If you like, just thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.